and gentlemen, to our teachers, to my friends, and to my fellow learners, good morning. Before we go deeper, let me ask you something. What are the true treasure that no one can steal, no one can destroy, and no one can take away from us? It is education, right? Today, we will be dealing about education. What is education? What is the role of education in our everyday life? And what is the importance of education in every one of us? First of all, education is the key to success. We all know that, right? The light that will guide us, the bridge that will lead us to our dreams, and the weapon that will help us fight ignorance and poverty. Without education, we are blind to opportunities. Without education, we are weak for opportunity. We are weak for challenges. But with education, we are strong, we are capable, and we are ready to face the future. We all know that education is the very important thing, the most powerful tool that no one can steal from us. But why we need to waste it? Why we need to waste the chance to study? Especially when we know that this is the thing that can lift us from poverty. Yes, I know. We all know that when we talk about education, there's a lot of concern. Difficulties, struggles, problems, expenses, and sleepless nights. We all know that there are no easy tasks in life. Those hardships are only trials for us to know how far we are willing to go, right? So, I know that when we study, I know that studying is not easy task. Studying is very difficult. It is very heavy to carry. But always remember, education is not only for the rich. Education is not only for the talented or the smartest person. That is for all. Every person, every child, every youth, every person deserves to learn. Because when one is educated, life changes. When all are educated, the whole nation rises. So let us not waste the gift of education. Let's embrace it, fight for it, and treasure it. Because through education, we hold the power to rise, to change, and to succeed. Let's go pray.